Okay, materials again. So the next question I have is, should I get materials or should I let you get the materials? So a perfect example is I'm working with a customer right now. We're getting ready to start her master bathroom, and she's already gone to Floor & Decor and Home Depot and made some selections. But the question is, should I go ahead and order those and pay for it and then have it delivered, or do you guys pick it up? So the way it works is I'm usually at Home Depot or Floor & Decor multiple times a week, and so I try to take the stress off of my customers. And the way that I help do that is I do not upcharge materials. So if you're going to pay $3 a square foot for a tile at Home Depot by yourself, then I'm gonna go to Home Depot and I'm gonna pay $3 a square foot for tile, obviously plus tax, but I'm not gonna upcharge that material. You're not gonna pay $3.29, you're not gonna pay $3.59, you're gonna pay $3 a square foot for that material, just the same as you would if you went and bought it. Now, what's nice about that is, as your contractor, again, I'm trying to take some of the stress off of you because I want to earn your business, right? And so in doing so, hopefully I'm saving you some time, I'm saving you some stress. I'm usually already there anyways, multiple times a week. And so because of that, I'll just grab it while I'm there. Now, if it's a big order, a large order of material, then let's say it's a couple pallets, then I'll pay for the delivery and I will pass the delivery charge on to you. Usually that's somewhere around $50 if they have to deliver it. But if it's something that I can pick up while I'm there, even if that means, let's say 300 square foot of flooring, that's not a lot. If it's, 40 square feet of box, then you're not looking at, a pallet of material. You're only looking at, 10 or so boxes or whatever it might be. So if it's gonna be something like that, then I can just grab it. It's not a big deal. My guys are gonna be at Home Depot, we'll pick it up, and I'm not gonna upcharge the materials because again, I'm trying to earn your business and I'm trying to save you money and save you time and energy. And if I'm already gonna be there, I might as well just grab it.